Beautiful luxury one bedroom entrance. It's the living room, a large living room. Got double door closet here. There's another closet here. This is the kitchen. All stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen. Got dishwasher, microwave, a lot of counter space. Stainless steel fridge, a lot of space. You could put a table on there if you want. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors. It's the bedroom here, a large bedroom. You could put a king size bed. Got two separate big closets here. 3 windows. Got a lot of light during the day. Bathroom luxury renovation, beautiful tiles, all new, beautiful floors, shiny, windows in the bathroom. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.